Hello everyone, my name is Fauziah Nuril Azmi. I will present to you about my summary from the journal entitled Assessment of Radiation Protection Awareness and Knowledge about Radiological Examination Thesis among Italian Radiographers. Okay, the first one, I will start my presentation from introduction of my summary from the journal. The second, I will tell you about procedure on my summary from this journal. And the third, I will tell you about result of my summary on from my journal. And the fourth, I will tell you about conclusion of my summary from the journal. And the last, I will tell you about my personal comment for the journal. Okay? The first one, I will tell you about introduction for my summary from this journal, right? The background of this research is an increase in radiological examination with special reference, namely multi-detector computer tomography, MTCT. But Italian radiographers are still less aware about the risk of radiation produced, even though MDCT examination requires high doses. Therefore, research must be conducted. The next, I will tell you about procedure on my summary from this journal, right? Procedure is collecting data from survey issued to Italian radiographer during several educational courses, workshops, and meetings held in region of Italy between January 1st and December 31st, 2014. An ethical committee review was not considered necessary because the survey population did not belong to any risk groups and guaranteed anonymity for all participants. The questionnaires, which was previously validated to conduct a prospective observational study, consisted of 22 questions in a multiple choice format and divided into three appendix. Appendix 1 about demographic feature of the participants. Appendix 2 about awareness of radiation protection issues. Appendix 3 about knowledge of natural background radiation disease levels and general imaging procedures based on both or without the use of ionizing radiation. The questionnaire was administered for 12 months to 1,780 participants distributed equally in 4 major regions of Italy. Participants are asked to complete the survey within 13 minutes before the start of their course. The questionnaire was completed in the presence of examiners and collected immediately after completion to avoid bias. To prevent duplication, clear instructions are given to participants not to answer the questionnaire if they have filled it in the course or previously meeting. All questions from Appendix 2 and Appendix 3 are in a multiple choice format with 5 to 6 options and only one correct answer. 1 point is given for each correct answer and 0 point for each wrong or missing answer. The third, I will tell you about result of my summary from the journal, right? A total of 1,719 Italian radiographers completed the questionnaire, but only 12.1% of participants attended radiation protection course on a regular basis. Despite 19% of radiographers stating to have sufficient awareness of radiation protection issues. Most of them underestimated the radiation doses of almost all radiological procedures. About 5% and 4% of the participants respectively claimed the pelvis magnetic resonance imaging and abdominal ultrasound exposed patients to radiation. Okay, the next I will tell you about of conclusion from my summary from the journal, right? The conclusion from the study is that radiographers need to increase their awareness of radiation protection issues and their knowledge of radiological procedure. For example, by attending regular training course for working radiographers must be considered to ensure patient safety during radiological examination. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the last I will tell you about my personal comment for my summary from this journal. Okay, what I learned from this research is that we must be aware of the importance of awareness about radiation protection issues and knowledge of radiological procedure. I can apply this method before doing a radiological examination. This research is very much to our daily lives as radiographer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I am sorry for my mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. See you next time. Bye.